is how you pay for your Meta ads in 2026. You can have everything set for that ad. You can have the creatives available, the WhatsApp business, the landing page, everything available. But if you don't have a payment method, then you cannot be able to run the ad. Now, how can you go about acquiring a very good payment method for your business? The first thing is that you need to go to the bank of your choice and acquire via Visa or MasterCard. If you are outside Africa and you have PayPal available, you can also use PayPal to pay for your Meta ads. Why is this so? It's because Meta is not an African platform, it's an American platform that does online payment. So for Meta to be able to process the payment for you, it needs you to make payment in either US dollars, right? Unless you are in Nigeria where you are allowed to use your currency, and then some people that are in South Africa, they are allowed to make payment using ZAR. If you are in Ghana, know that you are going to make payment through dollars, or maybe you may be fortunate that you have access to use a Naira card to run such an ad. After going to that bank of your choice, creating a bank account with them and requesting for their Visa card, these are some of the details that you need on the card in order to run the ad. The first one is the holder's name. You will see it clearly printed in the front page of the card or at the back of the card. That is your name, the one that you own as your identity. Now the second thing that you need is what we call the card number. So the number will be printed on it clearly for you to see, and when you are setting up the ad, you will request for the card number and you just have to put it there. The third one is the expiry date of the card. Every Visa card, MasterCard has an expiry date. So the moment you acquire it, try to know the date so that when you are getting to that time, you can go and renew it or get a new one so that your ads will not stop on the way. The last thing that you need on that card is the CVV. The CVV is a security code. Some banks have 3, some banks have 4, right? So this code, make sure that you don't share it with anyone. For the Visa card, it's yours, so try to restrict it from being shown to others. One challenge that I see people having is that when they acquire Visa card, they tend to share it with family and friends. Now, for somebody to be able to make payment through your Visa card, the person doesn't need your password to do that. All the person needs to do is to tell Meta that I want to pay $20, and $20 will be deducted from that card directly. So to avoid you being scammed or your money taken, protect that Visa card or MasterCard from the next party that you are not sure of. My name is Herbert. I talk about Meta ads and how we can use Meta ads to increase our sales and visibility online. See you in the next one.